It was a pretty historical event, just based on the two factors. One, the amount of ice, and two, the time of year.
In a 3-day slam, residents from Texas to Oklahoma endured sleet, ice, and freezing rain, causing catastrophic damage to the local energy grid.
I think it's estimated over a half an inch of ice, you get like 500 pounds of weight on power lines.
Thousands of crews from out of state and local line workers worked round the clock to restore power, asking their communities for patience and understanding as they work quickly but safely.
They are absolutely needed and appreciated.
Amy Turner says her neighborhood is without power. She's using a generator, but says the ice storm just toppled trees and branches everywhere.
It was unreal. I mean, I have never seen it come down this soon. It was on some branches at least 8 inches thick in ice.
Restoring power follows a step-by-step process, and as crews continue their work, Amy has some encouragement for them.
And we want them to go home to their families safely. Safety first for them, for sure.